Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cambria. I make videos on everything beauty and a little bit of fashion. So if that is something that you are interested in, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and join the family. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of some PR that I recently got, so I'm pretty excited about it. So if that is something that you are interested in seeing, then please stick around. The first box that we are unboxing today is from Mrs. A, and I'm super excited that they sent me some goodies. Everything on their website is $1. They contacted me and they wanted me to shop. I was excited because I had actually started shopping their stuff back in 2015, and who told me about this was one of my girlfriends, Marlene, and she was like, she got some jewelry and stuff off of it, and I'm like, what? I checked it out and everything on there is $1. Now they do have some stuff that's like kits and sets. It's a little bit more expensive, like goes up to like $5 or $10. Have everything from lashes and lipstick and palettes and everything. Very inexpensive. So if you have not shopped Miss A before, go and do it. I will link it in the description box below. So the first thing I got was some lashes. There we go, some lashes, and this is their AOA Studio brand. They have different like brands on the website besides just their own, but this is theirs. And I got the Lula Lashes, and it comes with a 6-pack, so I'm really excited about these. They look really fluffy, and they're also cruelty free. I like the little casing that it comes with too, because when I'm traveling to brides, this is going to be super easy to cut down and just throw into my kit. Got the Alexis ones, which are a little bit more dramatic. These look like the Demi Wissies from Ardell to me, so I'm really excited to try these out and see if they're very similar. And then I got this Glow Baby Illuminating drops. I am super excited about these. You guys, if you've been watching my videos and you watched my Walmart beauty box unboxing one, you know that I was looking for a new highlighter that is like super vibrant and really like bomb and gives it a nice pop. And so I got this little set of them, and I'm so happy that these sent me these, because I have been wanting to try like a really nice illuminator, and I'd imagine that you can use it just like in your foundation, or you can use it how you would typically use a highlighter, is all the high points of the face. So I'm super excited to try these. I'll do a review down the road too, so you guys know what I loved, what maybe I didn't love so much. I got these headbands because we're getting ready to go into summer and spring. We know we just started spring, and they're just a flat headband like this. But this is super cute if you're wanting to wear your hair like up, or if you wear it like to the side, something like this, and then have this on, a pink cheetah print. So I'm super excited. And then I got another one, which is like a twist one. How cute is this, you guys? I love the colors on this. So I definitely will be rocking these. You guys will probably see them on my Instagram. And then this is the brand Crystal. And then this one is just multi-scarf headwear from HYX. So this is what I'm saying, is like they have tons of different brands on there, and they also have their home brand. And then they sent me this Latex-Free Wonder Blender. It's really soft. I can already feel it. Can you guys see that? I'm excited about that, because in my other video I was telling you guys that I didn't love the, I don't know, that I can't remember the exact brand that it was, but it was so hard, and I just got it from the beauty supply store, the professional beauty supply store. So hopefully they updated that, but I'm super excited to try this, and it's just a small teardrop, so it'll be perfect for doing like under eye. So I cannot wait to try that. And then I got another one. This is the Mochi Soft one. This one's actually way softer. Now filling them both, yeah, this one is way softer. This one's a little bit denser, but it's still really soft, and it's kind of like angled. Can you guys see that? So it goes flat, so perfect when you're doing your baking underneath your contour. I'm excited. I got the brush cleaning egg. If you guys clean your brushes, which you better be doing that, you should definitely be cleaning your brushes. It's just a headache. And then look at this thing. Look at how cute this is. So instead of having to like do it on your hand like this and take forever, it's this rubber like little half egg, and you can do it on there and really get into it. So I'm excited about this. I'll probably be washing my brushes tonight just so that I can use that. Then I got their AOA Studio makeup remover wipes. So I am looking forward to trying these, and they're unscented. I got the AOA, the setting powder. So you guys know wedding season is coming up and it's approaching super fast. So when I'm on location doing makeup for brides, so I'm going to be testing this out beforehand, but I like the size of this, and it's their AOA Studio brand, so I'm pretty excited to try, and it's a pretty good size of powder. Let me know if you guys have tried any of their stuff before in terms of makeup, or have ordered from them before, and let me know your thoughts. Like I said, I've been ordering for 4 years from them, and I really like their stuff. So I got some mascara from them, and this is their AOA brand as well, their home brand, and then I got an eyeshadow primer. I've been wanting to try a new eyeshadow primer. Typically what I do is I just use LA Girl Pro Conceal or my NYX eyeshadow primer, and that one you guys know is not my favorite, so I'm looking forward to trying this one out and see if I like it. Okay, and then I was sent 2 of the eyelash applicator, their AOA Studio to apply lashes. So I'll probably keep one in my kit and then one that I use at home. Or alternatively, you guys, if you guys are interested in maybe winning one of these, let me know. I can throw it in to my palette of when I do my large giveaway. So anyway, I got 2 of those. Okay. And that is it for what I got from Mrs. Shopmissa A, and I am super thankful that they sent me all of this, and like I said, I will link them in the description I will just link them in the description box below and everything that I picked up. In my next video, I will do an unboxing of what I got from Pixie Beauty. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below. And until the next video, bye guys.